Hey you guys, my name is Liz and I'm the resident nail tech here at Makartt. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 4 different ways you can use our glitter nail liners. And honestly you guys, these are my absolute favorite products here at Makartt. I don't know why, but as soon as I saw these, I fell in love with them. Me as a nail tech, it's so hard for me to find any kind of glitter polish that's very pigmented. Usually I just have to use some kind of like loose glitter and a clear gel polish to get the look that I'm going for. But guys, these right here are an absolute lifesaver. I absolutely love them. They retail for $22.99, and if you use my code Liz, you can get 15% off. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these 4 looks, please keep watching. The first look is this really cute black abstract line look with a hint of glitter. So I'm going to be taking the Polygel color 832 and I'm just going to apply a thin layer on the base of the nail, working from the cuticles all the way down to the tip of the nail. And using these patting motions, you want to make sure that you're just trying to achieve a very smooth application so that way you don't have much filing to do like I have here. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and cure in the lamp for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Going in with my hand file, I'm just going to go ahead and reshape the nail, and I'm also going to rebuff out the surface of the nail so it's nice and smooth. Then I'm taking my gel polish in the color Noir and my liner brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and start creating my abstract swirl lines. Once that's complete, I'm going to go ahead and take my glitter nail liner in the color Gal Metal, and I'm just going to mimic the same line that I did with our gel polish in Noir. You guys, the color payoff in this nail liner is absolutely everything. Now I'm just curing in the lamp for about 1 minute. Next, I'm taking my top coat and I'm just going to finish the nail off by applying a thin layer all over. Lastly, I'm taking my soy cuticle oil and I'm just going to apply this all over my cuticles. Well, actually all over my finger because I just really love this stuff, you guys. And that's look number 1. For look number 2, we are going to be doing this really cute nude and glitter look. Let's get to it. To start off, I am taking the Nude Femi Beauty Gel Polish Collection, and I am just grabbing the color Sugar, and I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this all over my nail. Once that's done curing, I'm going to go ahead and reshape the tip of the nail. Then I am going to go ahead and grab the nail liner Queen Bey, and I'm just going to start creating my abstract kind of line. But instead of doing a line, I'm also going to fill in the side of the nail as well. As you guys can see here, I'm just taking my time filling in the side of the nail. You guys, I literally cannot get enough of these nail liners. They're my absolute favorite product by Makartt. They retail for $22.99 and come in so many different pretty colors. The color payoff is absolutely everything, and you can use code Liz to save 15%. I'm going to cure in the lamp for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then I am taking my top coat and applying this all over the nail to finish off the look. Once that's done curing in the lamp for about 1 minute, this is the final look. For look number 3, we're doing this really simple but cute lavender look with a hint of glitter coming down the middle. So let's get started. Going in with our gel polish in lavender, I'm just going to go ahead and do 2 coats of this polish. Look how beautiful this color is, you guys. Before you cure, don't forget to take your brush and clean up those edges with some slip solution. After that's done, I'm going to take my glitter nail liner in the color Turn On Rosé, and with the built-in brush, I'm literally just going to make 1 clean swipe right down the middle. Once that's been cured for about 1 minute, I'm going to go ahead and take my top coat and apply this all over the nail to give it that final touch. Wasn't this such an easy look, you guys? And you can literally switch up this look with any color, any nail liner that you choose. And lastly, for look number 4, I decided to do this really cute hot pink look with glitter flames. So let's get started. For the base, I am using our gel polish in the color Tanager, and I am just going to go ahead and do 2 thin layers of this color. And also, you guys, the one thing I love about Makartt's gel polishes is that you really don't even need 2 coats. 1 coat is truly enough because the color payoff is everything. Going in with my nail file, I'm just going to reshape. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my glitter nail liner in the color Turn On Rosé. And I am just going to start creating my flames. Now the technique with this is just to remember to do kind of like a backward S and then just connect them, as you guys can see here. Then just do 2 more similar lines on the sides to finish off the flame design. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cure it in the lamp for about a minute and 30 seconds. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take my top coat and just finish it off by applying one thin layer all over the nail. And lastly, once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and cure it in the lamp. And this is the fourth and final look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Flames can be a little bit difficult, but with practice, you guys can knock it out the park.
And those are the final looks, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys found this easy to follow. I feel like these designs are so easy for anybody to do, whether you're a beginner or whether you're advanced. You can make it your own, especially using these glitter liners. There's so many different colors that you could choose from. So if you don't have your hands on them already, I highly suggest that you buy them. I love them. If I could get the whole warehouse full of these, I would get them today. So make sure you get your hands on them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below what look was your favorite. See you guys next time. Bye.